Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we all know that India is gonna resume regular flights starting 26th or 27th this month. So this is a great piece of news for all of us after 2 years long pandemic. The wait is finally seeming to be over, unless something unexpected happens again. At the same time, we are seeing that India is restoring tourist visas that they had suspended. So they had suspended e-tourist visas since March 2020. So they are, restoring 5-year e-tourist visas to nationals of 156 countries that remained suspended since March 2020. And they are also restoring old valid long duration 10-year regular paper tourist visas to US and Japan nationals for with immediate effect. So this is really good. Now a lot of these people, those who have valid visas still remaining, they can come to India. So this is definitely going to boost tourism and more importantly global movement, which is almost like dead since March 2020 on account of pandemic. So hopefully more positive news comes and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.